Do you play football on Saturday? Bu nima edi? Present simple positivemi yoki negativemi? To'g'ri topdingiz. Bu question form, ya'ni so'roq shakli. Bugun biz sizlar bilan shu mavzu haqida gaplashamiz. Let's go.
Hi again. We'll talk about present simple question forms. So first comes auxiliary. Birinchi yordamchi fe'l yordamga keladi. Do I like chocolate? Va bundan keyin esa subject ya'ni ega, undan keyin esa fe'l. Do I like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Do we like chocolate? Do they like chocolate? Endi sizlarga savol. Are you with deylarga do deb savol beryapmiz. He she'larga-chi? To'g'ri topdingiz. He she'larga does deb savol beramiz. Does he like chocolate? Does she like chocolate? Does it like chocolate? Qiyin emasa, qiyin emas. Keling endi o'rgangan narsalarimizni amalda sinab ko'rsak. Mana bu yerda bizda sentence we have got here, and you have to change them to questions. Mana shu gaplarni, jumlalarni siz so'roq shaklga o'zgartirishingiz kerak. Videoni pauza qiling, daftaringizni va ruchkangizni qo'lingizga olingda, tezda shuni bajaring. Let's go. I hope you paused the video and did the exercise. Let's check it together. Do you play football every weekend? Do you? Does she drink coffee in the morning? Does she? Do they eat meat? Do they? Does he live in New York? Does he? Do we watch TV at night? Do we? Does your brother read books? Endi bu yerga nimaga does qo'ydik? Chunki your brother sening akang. Sening akang nima bo'ladi? He bo'ladi, right? He ga esa does ishlatiladi. Does your brother read books? Do you like pizza? If you did the exercise well, congratulations. Agar hammasiga to'g'ri javob topgan bo'lsangiz, tabriklayman. Agar sizda kamchilik yoki siz tushunmayotgan mavzu bo'ladigan bo'lsa, present simple'da avval positive, keyin negative formlarni ham ko'rishni tavsiya qilaman. If you liked the video and you thought it was useful, please like the video and subscribe. Agar videoni foydali deb topgan bo'lsangiz, like tugmasini bosishni va subscribe tugmasini bosishni esingizdan chiqarmang. Bye bye.